Welcome to the home of self-love and this healing meditation for your thyroid. Get comfortable in your favorite position, either laying down or sitting, and close your eyes. If you hear surrounding noises during this meditation, you're not going to be disturbed. You're going to fall into an even deeper state of hypnosis. And if your body itches, you can scratch this part or not. It's not going to disturb you. You're going to fall into an even deeper state of hypnosis. Close your eyes now. We're going to take a deep breath in, counting to 4. Then we will hold our breath, counting to 4. And then we will slowly exhale, counting to 4. And we will do this 6 times. Breathing in. Hold it. And breathing out. 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 Now that we're fully relaxed, we're going to start making positive affirmations and send them to our body in general and our thyroid in particular. And you can continue breathing, and you will have time to either say out loud the affirmations, repeat them after me, speaking them, or you can repeat them in silence, sending the energy to your body. Dear thyroid, dear body, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I love you. Thank you. From now on, I speak gently with myself. From now on, I speak gently to my body. From now on, I have a clear mind. From now on, I take care of my thyroid. From now on, I express myself freely. From now on, I respect the functionality of my body. From now on, I no longer starve myself. From now on, I drink at least 2 liters of water or tea a day. From now on, I don't abuse my body. From now on, I act from a state of integrity. From now on, I stand in my power. From now on, I live my authentic truth. From now on, I work in a way that nourishes my soul. From now on, I no longer hold myself back. From now on, I no longer accept toxic relationships. From now on, I do not allow abuse, betrayal, or power games in my life. From now on, I am a part of mutually loving relationships. From now on, I listen to my intuition. From now on, love, truth, and gratitude are my home. From now on, I am confident. From now on, I listen to my body. From now on, I can say no without shame or guilt, and I have clear boundaries. From now on, I know my boundaries. From now on, my boundaries are respected. From now on, I respect myself, and therefore I am respected. From now on, I love myself. From now on, I love myself, and therefore I am loved. From now on, I approve of myself. From now on, I freely express my deepest truth more and more every day. From now on, I express myself clearly. From now on, I own my power. From now on, I am connected, significant, and secure. From now on, I feel alive. From now on, I let my creativity flow freely. From now on, I let my energy flow freely. From now on, I no longer keep myself small. From now on, I let no one keep me small. From now on, I don't use toxic relationships to be kept small. From now on, I am only in relationships that inspire me to express my greatest potential. From now on, I surround myself only with people that are good for my mental health. From now on, I have healthy habits. From now on, I am fully alive. From now on, I feel fully alive. From now on, I have a clear mental state. From now on, I honor my intuition. From now on, I honor my body. From now on, I honor my inner guidance. From now on, I live with clarity. From now on, I honor spirit. From now on, I honor my spirit. From now on, I respect my dreams and make them come true whenever I can. From now on, I honor my desires, preferences, and wishes. From now on, I live without shame. From now on, I live without guilt. From now on, I live without hiding myself. From now on, I live without wanting to disappear. From now on, I am proud of my body. From now on, my body is on my side. From now on, my thyroid is on my side. From now on, I support my body unconditionally. From now on, I love my body unconditionally. From now on, my body can rely on me. From now on, I express my desires, preferences, and wishes without shame or guilt. From now on, I can discern communication that wants to manipulate or harm me from good, loving, constructive communication. From now on, I only let in loving, truthful communication. Dear body, dear thyroid, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Isn't it wonderful that I have enough energy for all the things I want to do? Isn't it wonderful that I can think clearly? Isn't it wonderful that my immune system works perfectly? Isn't it wonderful that I am happy? Isn't it wonderful that I am healing? Isn't it wonderful that I'm healthy? Isn't it wonderful that my body is functioning perfectly? Isn't it wonderful that my body tells me what to do in order to stay healthy? Isn't it wonderful that I can trust my body? Isn't it wonderful that I can trust my intuition? Isn't it wonderful that I'm living an authentic life from my heart, satisfying my soul's desire? Isn't it wonderful that I'm taking excellent care of my body? Isn't it wonderful that I can always rely on my body? Isn't it wonderful that my body communicates clearly with me? Isn't it wonderful that my body can always rely on me? Isn't it wonderful that I have excellent sleep? Isn't it wonderful that my body can regulate itself perfectly? Isn't it wonderful that my immune system knows exactly what to do? Isn't it wonderful how connected I am to the universe? Isn't it wonderful how connected my body is to the universe? Isn't it wonderful how united I am with my body? Isn't it wonderful how secure I feel in my body? Isn't it wonderful how significant I am to the universe? Isn't it wonderful that my body supports me? Isn't it wonderful that my body is always on my side? Isn't it wonderful that my body loves me unconditionally? Isn't it wonderful that I love my body unconditionally? Isn't it wonderful that my thyroid is working for me? Dear body, dear thyroid, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you.